On February 1, 2023, the CMS released the Advance Notice of Methodological Changes for calendar year 2024 for Medicare Advantage capitation rates and Part C and Part D payment policies and an accompanying fact sheet. Major changes are documented in this presentation. The proposed 2024 CMS-HCC model has 115 payment HCCs, up from 86 in the current model. This increase in HCCs is due to newly created HCCs added to the model and the splitting of several existing HCCs resulting from changes in the structure and clinical specificity of codes from ICD-9 to ICD-10, as well as changes in clinical concepts for some conditions. Since the proposed model reflects a clinical revision using ICD-10 codes, and incorporates new diagnosis to HCC mappings, the proposed model has been assigned a new version number, specifically version 28, v28. Differences in the HCCs in the current, v24, CMS-HCC risk adjustment model, also known as the 2020 CMS-HCC model, and HCCs in the proposed v28 model are noted in tables next slides. HCC 47, protein calorie malnutrition, 230, angina pectoris, and 265. Atherosclerosis of arteries of the extremities, with intermittent claudication, are removed in v28. The proposed 2024 CMS-HCC model has 115 payment HCCs, up from 86 in the current model. The tables list the HCCs in the proposed model, v28, compared to the current model, v24, organized by disease group. The HCCs in the current model were created using the ICD-9 classification system as the basis. On October 1, 2015, the industry moved from using the ICD-9 classification system to using ICD-10. In order to transition to ICD-10 for payment, CMS mapped ICD-10 diagnosis codes into HCCs that were created using the ICD-9 classification system to calculate risk scores. The proposed model has HCCs that were created using the ICD-10 classification system, resulting in HCCs that directly align with the diagnostic classification system currently in use by the industry. Note that HCCs with the same, or similar, label in v24 and v28 may have differences in the underlying ICD-10 codes that map to the HCC, meaning that the same, or similar, HCC label does not necessarily imply that the HCC is unchanged from v24 to v28. There are hierarchical relationships among some HCCs, such that a beneficiary may not be able to have all of the HCCs in a disease group in a given year. Infectious disease group, neoplasm disease group, and diabetes disease group are renumbered. Metabolic disease group, liver disease group, gastrointestinal disease group, and musculoskeletal disease group are renumbered. Blood disease group, cognitive disease group, and substance use disorder disease group are renumbered. Psychiatric disease group, spinal disease group, and neurological disease group are renumbered. Arrest disease group, heart disease group, cerebrovascular disease group, and vascular disease group are renumbered. Lung disease group, eye disease group, and kidney disease group are renumbered. Skin disease group, injury disease group, complications disease group, amputation disease group, transplant disease group, and openings disease group are renumbered. For more detailed information, please refer to the following documents. Use the Risk Adjustment Search tool to quickly find a hierarchical condition category, HCC, assignment. Enter the ICD-10 code or the diagnosis for results in 3 risk adjustment models: the CMS-HCC ESRD category v21, the CMS-HCC category v22, v24, v28, and the RX-HCC model v05, v08. Renumbered HCCs are available under the CMS-HCC v28 column. Also, 2024 CMS-HCC model with disease hierarchies is available at the Medicare Informatics website. How payments are made with a disease hierarchy. Example, if a beneficiary triggers HCCs 18, cancer metastatic to bone, other and unspecified metastatic cancer, acute leukemia except myeloid, and 19, myelodysplastic syndromes, multiple myeloma, and other cancers, then HCC 16 will be dropped. In other words, payment will always be associated with the HCC in column 1 if an HCC in column 3 also occurs during the same collection period. Therefore, the organization's payment will be based on HCC 18 rather than HCC 19. HCC, payment year 2023 v21, v22, v24, and 2024 v28, RxHCC, v05 v08, and MSDRG, version 40.0, mapping information is available in Android application Medical Code Lookup. Please install the Medical Code Lookup application through Google Play Store. Please contact us if you would like to implement the value-based care solutions in your environment.